Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use browning mode on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. The browning mode can be accessed by going to Modes. Then you can find browning. Well, they might have changed the name of it. I think it was browning before, but now I think it's roast, because it has the same icon as it used to have with the browning mode. And then you can set the temperature to whatever you want, of course, but well, for browning you typically want to use 130 degrees Celsius. And then you can set the time, of course, to any amount of minutes, up to, I can see, 14. You can't set it for longer. Let's see if I can set, no, I can't set it for longer with anything else. Then it turns the speed and the direction automatically to 1 and the reverse rotation. And from now on, you can start roasting or browning something. To, like, for example, brown onions, you would need to add about 20 grams of oil. Then your onions in equal parts, and yeah, that is basically how you can do it. Yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.